What's up, YouTube? What's up, cleanup? Green Rhino Academy, Facebook groups, those two. Check this one out. This one's going to be very interesting to you guys. And if you are having trouble with your reviews and noticing that you're not getting many reviews, you're doing, good work, you believe, but you're not getting those reviews, even though that you're requesting them or asking for them, well, you might want to check this out. But first, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and go ahead and give a comment or something like that. It helps my videos reach more people. All right. So first things first. All right. I've been in business for about 6 years. Okay. I have a school. I teach this business. I teach people how to build the carpet cleaning business and build it right. Okay. Plus all the technical side of it. Okay. So one of my main deals is building a reputation and getting those reviews up, because those reviews are really gonna, make your business statement huge for people that are looking for carpet cleaning services, not just carpet cleaning services, but quality carpet cleaning services. All right, so they look at those reviews. So it helps out a lot. It's not everything, guys. All right, so don't panic if you don't have a bunch of reviews yet. This is just one thing to help you get, more customers, all right? Those client types. But you don't need it right away, so don't panic. But if you've been in business for a while and you notice all of a sudden your reviews just started kind of like at a standstill, you're like, oh, and that happened to me, okay? So I'm doing not as much work as I used to when I started out. So a lot more clients. So a lot of these clients already gave me reviews, all right? So they're not gonna give me a review every time I go out there. So new customers, not as many. So I don't expect a whole lot more reviews to be coming in, rather like compared to when I first started out, if you know what I mean. Because they're all new customers, right? So I still, I was like, man, this is kind of weird. I'm getting them in my other review site. So I have 2 review sites. I have over 350 total 5-star reviews, overall through my other House Call Pro site. And, so I seen a post going through Facebook, I believe, and somebody had actually contacted Google my business and asked them what was the problem. They did a research and actually popped up a whole bunch of reviews that were just sitting in the background. I thought that was only a thing for Yelp. That's why I don't like Yelp at all. But I thought that was only a thing for Yelp. But yeah, so I thought about it. I said, you know what? I'm just going to reach out to them. And sure enough, that's what I did. And they looked into it and they got back to me and they told me, there was some, and you should see a rise in your reviews within a day or two, or automatically. I forget what they said. Anyways, you get my drift. So sure enough, popped up, another 15 reviews that were just sitting there. So this is something you guys can do. Go ahead and get a hold of Google My Business. Google Profile is what it is now. And ask them, if maybe there's some that are not being, popped up there. Now, granted, guys, you may do that, and maybe you have some negative ones in there, and they're gonna push up. But if you're really confident in your work, and you're just really good at your job, and you're really communicating with your customers, then you would really know, if you'd have an issue with different customers. Now, there are tricks and techniques to where even if you have app software like mine, House Call Pro, and you request a review, you can actually put a tag in there and not request a review from particular customers, all right? So, man, guys, and not because you're doing bad work, because it's just one of those customers. So I hope you guys like this one, and please subscribe, like, share it. Why not, guys? Share it. Help me out. My channel, the better these videos do, the faster my channel grows and the more people I can help. All right? See you in the next one. I gotta go to a job. I'm running late.